Hey lovers, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. Okay y'all, so this unit is by the Janice collection in the style Juliana. It comes with your standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. There was no lace to cut off, and we all know how much I love that, okay? It's not a whole lot I can say, but yeah, you guys will see in the outro. But yeah, it did not come with any lace. It just came with one of those lace parts like you guys see. Now I'm not gonna really say a whole lot in this voiceover. I really just wanted to come on here and say, hey, what's up? Everything that I need to say about this wig I will be saying in the outro, so stay tuned for my outro. And yeah, I'll see you love bugs in the outro. How many times can I say outro really? Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Okay, y'all, I also want to apologize for the blurriness. It does get better towards the end. Y'all, I've been having some focusing issues. Just bear with me, okay? It will get better, okay? It won't be like this the whole video. It does get better. But, yeah, I was having some focusing issues. Just bear with me. Okay, I'm done. I'm done for real. I'll see you in the outro. Okay, y'all, so I am done styling this wig. Now, let me give you guys the specs and stuff on this unit. This unit is from the Janet collection. It is their extended part Juliana 1B wig. Well, I guess in the style Juliana, and it's in the color 1B. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. And I honestly, I wanted it only because it did remind me of child. What's the name of the wig that it reminded me of? I don't know. I can't remember the wig. What is the wig? I can't remember the wig, but it reminded me of that wavy wig. Okay, okay, yeah. It reminded me of Free Tress Letty, and I think it is like maybe the Janet Collection's version of the Free Tress Letty, because a lot of these wig companies basically make the same wig and give it a different name. Now, what I will say about this one, my cut with this wig is it is extremely, 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 extremely tangly. And I rarely say that because for me, a wig has to be just like ridiculous, ridiculous for me to say extremely tangly, because for the most part, when it comes to synthetic wigs, I do expect some tangles, I do expect some shedding, but with this wig, child, like, you know, so yeah, that's a huge con for me. And even though Letty is a longer wig, and even though it's a wavy wig, I always say the wavy synthetic wigs, they tend to be tangly, just like the curly synthetic wigs. But even though Letty was long, and even though it did eventually tangle, um, it was nothing like this. This is straight out of the packaging. You guys saw me take this wig out of the packaging. So this is straight out of the packaging. And it's already pretty frizzy. And yeah, I will say this. It's not my favorite wig. It's not my favorite wig. Now, for some people, you know, they may not mind I always say it's to each his own thing. I'm here to give you my personal opinion about a wig. Like, that's what I do. I give you my opinion. You may have this same wig and love the wig. I'm here to give you my personal opinion. So I don't actually mean to deter you from buying a wig or whatever. I'm just giving you my personal opinion. And if you are kind of like me, then you probably will be like, nah, sis, I ain't gonna get it, okay? Because, you know, we kind of got the same personality. So if you're kind of like me, I would say save your coins. Now, it's really, really long, like super long. Like, I'm 5'4". I'm gonna show you guys where this wig comes. I would say this wig is, I don't know, 26 inches, maybe. I don't know. It's long. It's a very long wig. That is a con for me, especially with this type of wig, because these wigs already tangle. So when they are long like this and they already tangle, it makes it even bigger problem. So yeah. Now I feel like it probably looks really good in pictures. And if you just need a wig and it's inexpensive, that's like the pros. It's inexpensive, and I'm pretty sure it takes really good pictures. But yeah, if you're looking for a wig to, you know, kind of just take good pictures, you know, and some, you got to do something real quick or whatever, because it didn't take a whole lot of work as far as styling with this wig either. So that is another plus. Like, and I think the parting space looks really, really good. That's another plus. My cons are, it's long, it's tangly, and yeah. Those are my cons. It's long and it's tangly, and it's just, I feel like it won't last long. That's my personal opinion. That's why this wig is not my cup of tea. But like I stated, I do feel like it looks good. It will look good in pictures, and I do like the parting space. So yeah, I don't really have a whole lot to say about it. Now, I didn't notice any shedding. I could be wrong, but I didn't notice any shedding. I didn't even do a whole lot of brushing. I brushed maybe this little area, and the parts that are really frizzy, I don't know if you can see that on camera. Those parts that are frizzy, those are the parts that I brushed. And yeah, I didn't get any shedding, but it's a mess, child. It's a tangly mess. And I may have just got a bad batch. Sometimes you get a bad batch, like you get the bad hair. I don't know. And that may be the case. I haven't seen or watched any other reviews on this unit, so yeah, it's not my cup of tea, okay? But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap it up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. It also kind of clumps together. I don't know if it's because it's so long or what, but it does kind of clump together. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done kind of ranting on this wig. Yeah, it's not my favorite wig. And I don't wear a lot of wigs from the Janet collection. So I don't know. I don't even think I really own any wigs that I can think of. I may have one or two, but I don't have a lot of wigs from the Janet collection. So I don't know. Let me know down below if you have this wig, if you had the same experience as I did with this wig. Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you ever tried any Janet collection wigs, and is it just a thing? Like, let me know. Sound off in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. Click it. Click it. Also, if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.